Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
And we are here in the lovely island of Bermuda. This is the Royal Navy Dockyards, and there is things to do around here. So we're going to go explore that today. And if you see that boat right there, it's a very large boat. It's probably the biggest boat on this little area here. That's the ferry. If you want to go into Hamilton, that's the boat you take to get to Hamilton. And it's about a 20-minute boat ride. The thing is, today, they're forecasting thunderstorms like between 9 and 12, and it doesn't run during thunderstorms.
Right. So we were going to go into Hamilton today. We decided against that because we have to be back on board by 2:30.
Right.
So we didn't want to take the chance of getting stuck and the boat not running, or having to find a taxi or a bus. Or since we're not familiar with Bermuda at all, we're just going to stick around here around the cruise port. This is King's Wharf. Just some little shops here and there scattered around. We're going to show you what to do.
Little places to eat. There's a pub that's really cute right over there.
Yeah.
We're going to find out what the sport with this thing is, if we can even go up there. So if you're like us and you don't want to venture out too far from their ship, this is the vlog for you.
Yeah, it's pretty mellow around here. There's not actually a dedicated cruise port terminal that you'll see a lot of times in the Caribbean and things like that.
Right.
But there are some little shops and a couple little restaurants and stuff around. So we're just going to walk around here and show you what there is to do.
Yeah, and if you want to see, there's buses all lined up for excursions or taking you into Hamilton. I don't know, but there's taxi cabs too. So there are other ways into Hamilton.
Yeah, there's a lot of ways.
It just takes longer. It takes like an hour. It's an hour drive from here because it's way over there. Way over there. Yeah.
We're going to get out and have a nice little walk around and, show you what there is to do close by.
Come on with us. Hey, look, chickens. Bark, 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 bark. You rent Sea-Doos. Right here, close. That's cool. The scooter mart. Let's ask the cop if we can take a picture with him. He's got the cool hat. Look. Bonefish Bar Grill. Place to eat. This is the visitor service center right here. Yeah, I think this is where you get the pay for the ferry. The ferry dock's right here. See how close it is to the ship, people? The ship, ferry dock, shore link. And you scan this so you can pay for it. Or you can purchase tokens or passes at the visitor center.
Or they have an app also. You can download the app on your phone and pay ahead of time.
On your phone.
So if you want to take the minibus into Hamilton, it's $10 a person. I don't know if that's round trip or just one way.
Probably just one way. Look, there's your chicken value.
Hello, chicken. Bob ate one of your friends last night.
I did, and it was yummy. Here is the ferry stop. Right here. This is the Clock Tower Mall right there, and that's where we're headed because we want to see if we can pick up some souvenirs.
But the Clock Tower Mall doesn't open till 9.
Right.
So.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Do you need any help?
No, we just wanted to check out your nice little visitor center.
Okay. Feel free.
And see, so we could buy tokens for the ferry with you.
Yes.
So we stopped into the visitor center and I asked them if it's better to buy tokens or just use use your app, and she said it's better to buy tokens because you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi working or anything like that.
That's smart.
Yeah, she said, and it's just $9 round trip per person.
If you want to go into Hamilton.
If you're going into Hamilton, so you just give them the money, they give you a token, it takes you back and forth.
She's really friendly. They're really friendly.
They're really nice.
Everybody's really friendly around
love
here.
it.
And they also have little maps. You can pick up free maps.
What? So that's easy and that's good to know. So you don't have to worry about the Wi-Fi. Some people, like I told her, I said I'm old school. I don't really.
One of those little mini cars.
So cute. I'm old school. I don't want to rely on my phone. I'd rather just do it with physical items. So.
And then you just wait right there underneath the canopy
for the ferry. and it docks right here. We're gonna head on over to the clock tower now.
Yep.
Let's go. So last night we came through here. I guess it's a Caribbean thing with the chickens, but you know, I haven't been to too many Caribbean islands. And here's a duty free right here. So for all you people that get a kick out of duty free, that's not it. That's a chicken. That's it. Look at the little tiny chicken. Hi, tiny chicken. So here's duty free. We could get t-shirts in here. Yeah, but it's like Brilliant Lady duty free deadline today at 12 p.m.
Whoa, okay.
This is cute.
Yeah, it is cute.
They got some little kiosks here. We're in the John Faulkner handmade pottery store.
Some cool stuff in here.
And it looks very awesome. Oh, pharmacy, cool. Sun care products, yay!
Cuban cigars, you can get Cuban cigars.
Making waves, souvenir shop. Hats, t-shirts, snorkels, fins, sun care, souvenirs, casual wear. I love these old buildings, they're cool.
Yeah.
Hi, teenage chick. They should be wearing bikinis and hanging out with their friends. Chickens. She's gonna do a coffee table book. Chickens of all ages. So I reckon this clock tower mall is an outdoor mall, and you have to walk around to the different shops.
Okay.
Because there's the sign. If we can go in and see what, this might be an entrance. Let's find out. How would you know if you didn't go in? No, this is how you get into the Clock Tower Mall.
Okay, cool.
Right here. Look at the glass.
Look at the crabs.
Crabs. It's nice and cool in here, by the way, folks. Looks like they went to Norway and got troll. All right, check it out. They have really nice, clean bathrooms. This looks nice. This is a very nice little mall. Small, but it's a small mall. Clock Tower Mall is what it's called. This is the end of the line, people, for the dock. What is it called? Royal Naval Dockyard.
Yeah.
We were just in the Clock Tower Mall. It actually is kind of cute. It's got, you know, the normal.
Yeah, the kitschy little touristy shop.
It's got kitschy tourist stuff.
So
it has.
if you're looking for your typical I was in Bermuda t-shirt,
Yeah.
you know, stuff like that, that's a great place to go.
It is a great place to go, but it had some jewelry too. The jewelry was kind of nice.
So just FYI, they do charge you 10 cents for a bag.
For a plastic bag.
Yeah, so if you don't mind paying the 10 cents for a plastic bag, go for it. But if you don't want to do that, take a little tote bag or something with you.
Yeah, we usually have a little backpack or tote bag.
Yeah, they charge for bags where we live too.
Yeah.
Which was kind of funny that they charge for bags here. So it's like almost like being at home.
It is,
with water.
you know, and everybody there's like no accent.
Yeah, they don't have an accent. The local people here have no accent whatsoever.
It's almost, you know, and the transactions are easy. It's just almost
very
like
interesting. Yeah.
It's almost like being at home.
So for Americans, it's Really easy peasy.
Now I know why people like Bermuda, because it's very familiar.
Yeah, it's very easy to communicate, get around.
And it's just old.
Yeah.
It's very old. I love the old architecture and stuff. I like that clock tower. That's super cool.
Yeah.
So we're going to just walk back and maybe we'll show you the frog and onion and stuff like that.
Okay.
So
that's where we went last night for a drink.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah, I know. We might go there for eat lunch. Who knows?
Maybe.
And just remember, everybody, if you're going to rent an electric car or a moped or whatever, they drive on the left, like in England. So don't be the one who gets run over by somebody because you're on the wrong.
I saw a lady getting honked at.
Because they were on the wrong side of the
She was
road.
cruising along on the, like the USA side of the road.
Yeah, and the motorcycles coming down this
And they're
bright.
like, meep.
But I don't blame them.
But
It's
look
like,
at the cute little post box.
oh wow, this is so cool. And it is still collected from this box.
Yeah.
Daily. Be neat to send a postcard from here. Mm-hmm. There's the ferry over there.
Yep,
Picking up peoples. It is a big ferry. There's more chickens. Probably the same chickens. They just keep moving.
keep moving around.
Yeah. It's like, I think there's like a chicken master. He grabs those chickens and moves them to other places.
Alrighty, folks. That's kind of what there is to do and see and buy around.
At the Naval Dockyard.
Royal Naval Dockyard.
Exactly. Heritage Wharf.
So if you're looking for something to do just close to the ship, just casual, a little bit of shopping, things like that.
Yeah, and there is a cool little pub down there that we went to last
night. Frog and
night.
Onion is a good.
Yeah, it's a good pub. They got fish and chips. It smelled great.
Yeah. So, if you're looking to stay just close to the ship and not venture out into Hamilton or anything like that, check it out. That's what there is to do.
And it's easy to get into Hamilton, like we said. Ferry, I don't know how. You can look at the schedule. We had it put a picture in right here. Visitor lady said it's best just to buy a token. Don't rely on the Wi-Fi because sometimes it's spotty.
Sounds good.
And it's only $9 a person round trip.
Awesome.
So that'll do it for this.
So thank you so much for watching. If you did find this helpful, we would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button.
It's right there.
And ding the notification bell so you know when we post. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.
Okay.
Okay, love you, bye. Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute. There it is. Boom.
Bye.
Bye.